investigating the properties of the grove sensors and a simple bit of kit hooking it up to NeoPixels. So here's the Arduino that I've been using for the last couple of days, and I've got a really simple circuit here. I've basically got the Grove passive infrared detector, the kind of thing that you'd have in an outside light, that sort of thing, running into a line here with a bit of power, and then you've got coming on from pin 4, it's feeding into a NeoPixel strip. So I've got about 5 or 6 NeoPixels here that are being powered by the Arduino. You can't power the full strip from an Arduino or a Arduino because it draws too much current, so you'd need to run the wires here into an external power source, something like a bench PSU or something more beefy than that, if you were going to use the full 20 or 60 pixels, whichever your strip is. So all this does, the Grove sensor returns a signal when something's in its range, and then I just output colors. Here's the code that you can see. It's very simple code. It's just, we have a function here that sets up the NeoPixels. We're putting these through, we're just running in a loop, saying on a regular basis check the value of the passive infrared detector, and then either write a reddish colour, which we've got determined up here, or a cyanish colour, depending on whether it's on or off. So if we upload this now, this has gone through to the sensor, and straight away we can see that we've got a kind of a cyan colour coming through when it's not detecting anything, and then when it detects someone moving past it, it turns red. If I move around here to range, you'll see it turns red. And the nice thing about this that you can see with the Grove sensors, if I just unplug this a second, and I've just plugged in the button instead, so there's the Grove button, same connector, and I can just press the button and it has exactly the same effect. Or here I could use a passive infrared sensor or a couple of other similar sensors, and this shows you the usefulness of the Grove kit. And again, with Swift for Arduino, you've got such a simple piece of code. That's the entire code, does everything, writes the pixels, checks the passive infrared sensor, and hey, you've got a nice little kind of detector that detects when people go past or whatever you'd like to use it for. Okay, have fun, post questions below, contact us on Slack or email, and if you haven't yet done so, download Swift for Arduino now. It's currently on a discount price of $7.50, just for a short period. That offer will be closing in a day or two. And yeah, get involved, send us some questions, and become part of the community.